Hello everyone, thanks so much for joining me and tuning in today. So I've just got something really quick for you today. So just before lockdown that's Eva if you didn't realise, just before lockdown I ended up getting a whole bunch of seeds. I could see just, the week before lockdown I pulled Eva out of school and could see what was going to be happening. So got a whole heap of seeds, didn't realise that we wouldn't be, closed off from the supermarket because it didn't make sense to me to, if they were going to be separating everybody, was to funnel us all to exactly the same place to make sure that we got sick. But anyway, so I bought a whole heap of seeds thinking or looking around at all of my pot plants and stuff, and they were all dying, that if I need food I'm not gonna survive. So I got in seeds and started growing a whole heap of things over lockdown. We got cucumbers and quite a few different things, which is awesome. And in that as well, which I've never used or really eaten before, was a whole heap of kale that's come up now, and I thought, well, what can I do with that? So today I've decided I'm going to make some kale chips, really simple and easy. So what I've done is I've gone and washed it all, and then I've gone and chopped off all the hard stems. And now I'm just going to use this to just make sure I get all the moisture off it. Right, so pretty easy. So now I'm just going to get all of these, and I'm actually going to with all of my toppings, I'm just going to put them in a bowl because I thought it would be easier to make sure that I coat them really well. So today I decided we're going to use some garlic powder, table salt, and some nutritional yeast, which I thought would because we had it there for something else we made, just to make them super delicious and really good for the gut. Ooh, there we go. Just coated that in oil. Olive oil is so good. Wash my hands in between. Probably should have, no, that's right. So now I'm just going to use some garlic powder. Might use some it can save my hands. And some Himalayan pink salt, even though this says it's iodized salt, it's not. I just reuse the container just to save the planet. Pink salt and some nutritional yeast. Yeah, nutritional yeast. And just give that a good old stir up. Alright, a little bit more. Don't know about you, but I absolutely love garlic. A little bit naughty. nutritional yeast and a little bit of salt, and they should be good to go. Right, so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop them on this It's Eva singing in the background. Right. I'm just going to pop them on this baking tray. And then, so I'm preheating the oven to 180 degrees, and I'm just going to put it on for, it will be for 10 to 12 minutes. We want them to go a little bit brown, but not just the edges. Hope you're all having an amazing day today. Ooh, might not get them all on one tray. We'll do our best. If you've made kale chips before, or you have made recipes with kale in it, I would love to know what your favourite recipes are, or favourite kale chip toppings are, for next time. We have an abundance in our garden. Right, I'm not going to fit those all in, so that's okay. I'll do 2 lots. And I just see there's a couple that don't have anything on it, so I'm just going to, whoops. Put a little bit on here. Cool. And then a little bit of yum. Cool. And then we'll pop them into the oven, and I will come back and show you how they turned out. And we're back with the kale chip taste test. So I just got my container, and I put some rice in the bottom of it just to help keep them longer. And while the last of the kale chips are cooking, we're going to try them, aren't we? You want to grab a chippy? And we'll do it together.
It's a chippy.
Yep, it's a kale chip.
Good.
It's good. Yum. It is good. Loving that. We'll have to make them again, won't we? Cheers. If you make them, I'd love to know what you think of them. Have a good day. Bye.